we're in my hometown of Kailua today, folks. How you guys doing? Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike Tour. We're having a good ride. We're going to go and check out downtown Kailua, and then we're heading over to Lanikai and then Kailua Beach and watch the windsurfers and kite sailors. Should be a good ride today. Well, this road with all the coconut trees down the middle is Kainui Drive, also known as Duck Road because of all the wild ducks that frequent the medial strip. The Oniava Canal is on the other side of these houses and provides the water habitat. House rules: if they wander into your yard, don't feed the ducks, otherwise you'll have to clean up after them. This is also the street that my buddy Big Wave Dave and I used to carry our surfboards and walk a mile down to catch waves at Kailua Shorebreak. Today we have a wonderful bike path on this road and is the start of our ride. Coming up soon we're going to make a turn onto Kainalo Drive and we'll see my elementary school, where I was a member of the second graduating class of this brand new school in 1954. Kainalo Drive is one of the most widely used multi-purpose paths in Kailua. Great for bikers, trikers, walkers, joggers, strollers, you name it. We're going to take a slight detour from our bike route today and take a quick ride through Kailua Town. This little surf town is known for the number of restaurants and eateries that they have in the neighborhood. It's also known as the place where I met my beautiful bride. We both worked at Craig's Bakery right here on this street, and proudly I was the highest paid dishwasher at $1.80 an hour. Barbara was a skilled cake decorator. Day-old pastry fights were common after the bakery closed that night, and I knew once I shoved that custard cream pie in her face and she reciprocated, I knew she was the woman for me. Hey, we just celebrated our 50th anniversary this year. Kailua Town has two main roads that run through it, Oniava and Kailua Road, and this is the main intersection of our town. The town has gobs of boutiques, tourist shops, kayak rentals, a Target, and even our own Whole Foods. Every year Kailua throws a town party called I Love Kailua, where they shut down this main road and put up lots of tents, booths, and a stage. It seemed like all of Kailua would show up. My band Coconut Joe performed for 10 years, many years ago. Hey, that sounds like a segue to me. We're back on the bike route, and that shopping center over to the left is where you can rent kayaks, stand-up surfboards, boogie boards, surfboards. Straight ahead is the beach. Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? Hey, I remember love like it was yesterday. Scent of you carried me away. We used to share the news across our morning cup of tea. And now we're strangers flashed across the midnight screen. We are making our way up Lanikai Point with Kailua Bay to our left and the Lanikai Monument up ahead. Well, once we pass by that monument, we're going to be heading on a bike route that goes around Lanikai. It's about 5 miles long. And I've got some great sunrise footage that I shot the other day. You guys will love it. Hey, it's possible there's just too much emotional chemistry. Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I was so lonely? Where were you when I needed
called you late last night just to break you out. We were the only two people at home, and that was nice. You said, hi, it's me. I said, hey, it's so cool. You said, stop calling me, hey, my name is Charlotte, you fool. You said, stop calling me, hey, my name is Charlotte, you fool. Hey, hey, where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I was so lonely? Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love? Hey! What a wonderful day, with the sun shining on my face. I take you down to my sandy shores, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day, where we watch the children play, building castles in the sand, down to Kailua Bay. We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember your first time, I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day, sipping mango tea in the shade. I let the ocean touch my toes, down in Kailua Bay. Shadoop-dooby-dooby-doo-wah, shadoop-dooby-dooby-wah, 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 shadoop-dooby-dooby-wah. We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember your first time, I saw the sparkle in your eyes.
Well, this is Kailua Bay. 3 miles of white sandy beach. It's gorgeous.
What more can a poor boy say? I take you down to my hometown, down to Kailua Bay.
Well, we rolled into the boat ramp here, which is at the very far southern end of Kailua Beach. And looking across at the beautiful Kailua Bay, and it looks like it's high tide. So we're gonna take a little ride over and get a good vantage point of this end of the bay. Hey, let's get that drone up there too.
What a wonderful day. What more can a poor boy say? I take you down to my hometown, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful day. Wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii. What a
we finished our lunch and had a nice little nap underneath the ironwood trees. And now we're heading over to Kailua Beach Park Pavilion number 1. And we're going to go check out the kite surfers and the sailboarders. And this is their staging area. This is a cool thing. Maybe we'll even get you guys a lesson. How would you like that? It's really simple, folks. No problem. Anybody can do it. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, here's your kite surfing lesson. The first thing you do is get your kite unfolded, lay out the lines, fasten it to your harness, then get some stranger to hold your kite up to help you get it launched. Next, you go over and pick up your board while keeping the kite afloat and make sure it doesn't crash into that guy that helps you launch your kite.
Garden out back.
Okay, next tilt your kite towards the ocean, step on your board, and there you go. Simple, huh? All right, you're off. There you go. Hey, don't worry about how to return. We'll take care of that in the next lesson. Bon voyage, or as we say here in the islands, aloha oe.
We listen to the stones, the words of Dylan and a few of my own. We took to the street, climbed a mountain or two. By the time we were done, oh man, what a view. So listen now, baby, all you gotta do, set those sails for the wide ocean blue. Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? Set sail for the sunset. We were kids once, a long time ago. A lot of history, got a lot to show. But it's all about love, those nights and days, how we sailed to the sun and that uncharted bay. Sails for the wide ocean blue. Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? Set sail for the sunset, do you wanna ride? Oh baby, let's
It's a bit late, so we're taking the express route along Kalaheo Avenue, parallel to the ocean, and look for another public access to the beach. That ride was about 3 miles, and here's my favorite public access, which has taken us to Castles, a great surf spot we frequented a lot as a kid. Hey doggy, how you doing? Nice boy. Well, this is where President Obama stayed on his family vacation every Christmas. It's a great place for the Kama'aina, the local folks, to hang. Not too crowded as the Kailua Beach parks are. And I love playing with my grandsons. Go surfing with my boy. Well, I could have spent all day there, but it's getting late. So we're heading back on the public access lane to Kalaheo Avenue and then make a turn here.
Now, baby, all we gotta do, set those sails for the wide ocean blue. Set sail for the sunset. Do you want to ride?
Well, we're on our way back to our starting point on Duck Road or Kainui Drive. So what do you guys think? Was that a pretty good ride? I thought so. We saw a lot of beach. Kailua is known for, it's a beach town. It's known for its beaches. Whether it's Lanikai, Kailua Beach, Kalama, or castles. So happy you had a good time. We'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for the subscription, guys, and thanks for the comments. I appreciate it. You guys have a great week. Aloha.
Set sail.